Hello, Parrot. Can you say hi? Come on, say hi. Hello, can you say hi? Hey, hi. Come on, say hi. Say hi.
Now they're kissing each other.
Hello,
Stop sitting on me.
Parrot. Can you say hi? Hi, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hola, hola, gula, gula, gula. Say hi. Say how are you? Come on.
Bro, can you please not post this?
Hey, come on. Say
Yeah,
hi.
don't bully the dog, okay?
Can you
Don't bully the
please
black
say
dog.
hi?
You're trying to block him from having a
Loba, loba, diga.
See that? Whoa, sus.
Hola, Sara.
Wait, don't do that, okay?
Hello, you told me to hi. Come on.
Dude, what are you
Say
doing?
hi.
Leave him alone.
Say hi.
Stop, bro. Leave him alone. Dude, leave him alone.
Hi. Hello, hello, hello.
Look
Don't wanna
outside.
say hi? Anyway, that's okay. Hey, you wanna say hi? You tell me to hi.
Bro, look.
Come on, come on,
Leave
come
him
on.
alone, bro.
Big boss, come on.
Bro, come here. Come here. Don't do that.
Say hi. Okay, okay. Alright. Maybe. Now you can say hi. Hi.
Don't let that. No, don't.
Nah, you don't wanna say okay. I am not gonna give pressure to you.
Breathe.
But maybe you might say something. You don't wanna say anything? Ah, come on.
Stop, right?
Bird? Yeah, exactly. Bird? Bird?
Are you okay? Huh? Are you okay?
Hello?
Are you
Just
okay?
say bird.
Bro, he be wildin'.
Bird. Hello?
No?
You're trying to talk,
Why are
but
you so sad, man?
I think today is not the day, huh? Anyway, hopefully
Let's try.
you will say
It
hello.
starts making out with him. What is that?
How about you?
Sus.
Yeah? Good, good bird. Hey. What are you looking?
Why are you licking his mouth?
You're looking something. Oh, hello.
Hey, hey.
What's gonna be nicey here? The other one's so silent. Oh, okay.
Don't do that.
Kahaskutan.
Alright. Say hello.
Why don't you just pet the black dog and see what
Yeah, it's cleaning time.
Yeah, it makes
Enjoy the life. Alright.
sus.
Let me see this side. Alright.
Don't let him do that.
Yeah, I know. Hello. 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 I don't want to say anything at all.
Are you okay?
Alright.